What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So let's do it on capital.com, and then we're going to go through Oanda and Nemex as well. So at this point, we are now still in a minor level of support. Again, not a major level. And for me, for a good entry, I want to see a nice bullish engulfer, a candle that must engulfs the previous candle, including the wick as well, which is very important. And with that, if we have an oversold situation in the RSI, and let's see, yes, if we have an oversold situation in the RSI with bullish engulfing pattern, that will be a valid buy signal, aggressive entry. But if you're not an aggressive trader, look for double bottom entry patterns. Now again, I'm going to use a low risk because it is not a major zone, it is a minor zone, but a level that has been reacted multiple times in the past. Looking at this level, that is why I'll be looking for my entry confirmation. But for a complete bullish momentum, I want to see a good break above 50 EMA. So we have a chance after 1 to 2 ATR bounce, price hit 50 EMA, then push back down. So that is also a chance we can expect from price action, and we can get a possible double bottom. That will be a less aggressive way to enter. So these are the conditions I'm expecting now from natural gas. Not taking sell trades as long as I see a condition for sell trade, which will be a pullback below 50 EMA. Let's say we have no condition here. Below 50 EMA, if price forms bearish engulfing pattern, in that case I'm going to go for little scalp of sell trade and look for my condition, which is my bullish engulfing pattern or double bottom entry pattern. So whichever I get first, I'm going to go for my long or short trade. It is a zone from where now I will be looking for my possible conditions. So wait with patience. Once we have conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Now just to give you a heads up here on weekly and daily on higher time frames, if you see here, we do have a bearish pin bar that happened at a minor level. So that is what I'm looking at, but I'm also looking at the fact we are still above 50 EMA, not closed below 50 EMA here on this platform. So that is why I'm keep on saying that on smaller time frame, if we get a bullish condition that is enough to hit your targets, then wait for the price to break above 50 EMA for the complete bullish confirmation. So that is why if we have a condition on smaller time frame, I'll be just looking for a bounce that is enough to hit my targets, come out of the trade, and then look for the next condition that is a break above 50 EMA on 4-hour time frame. So that is what I also want to point out, that it is a bearish pin bar here on this platform. And if you're someone who just want to wait for the extra confirmation, then wait for the price to completely break above 50 EMA for the next pullback entry bullish. If you want to take a risk, then again on 4-hour time frame, wherever we get a bullish engulfer with the overbought situation, double bottom, in that case that push up can be enough to hit your targets. Then on smaller time frame, I'll start to look for my bearish condition as well. So these are the conditions I'll be closely looking at. We are in the decision area, and here we need to be patient and wait for the good conditions. Right here on Oanda, we have a pin bar as well, but we are still in the minor zone. And here on Nemex, we have a pin bar as well. Now, next week, that might close up as a bullish engulfer. Let's see how it goes. If it closes as a bullish engulfer, then it will become a strong buy signal on a weekly time frame. We do have some nice, good weekly candles here as well. Still above 50 EMA, and that is what I want you guys to point out. So be careful with your trades once we have a condition on smaller time frame. I'm not going to hold on with my trades unless we are completely above 50 EMA and also above these high for the complete bullish trades. Here on Oanda, right here on Oanda, we are still in the zone. And again, if the next candle is a bullish engulfer, must engulf the previous candle, includes the wick. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. Again, if you have a condition, I'll go for the low risk, and for the good and strong entry condition, I want to see a price to oversold in the RSI. Along with that, I want to see a bullish engulfer, and in combination of both, that will become a good signal. Double bottoms will be again your less aggressive way to enter, which will be from the body till the wick. We can mark our rejection box, which is something like this. A push up, push down, and a double bottom will be my entry condition. For complete bullish momentum, I want to see a good break and close above 50 and 20 EMA. If you have a push up without any condition, bearish engulfer will be my sell condition. I'm going to go for little scalp for my sell trade. So complete bearish trade will only happen once we are completely broken below this zone right here, 2.307. Once we are completely broken below, only then I'll start to look for my sell conditions. And here on capital.com, in case you're wondering, this zone is right here, 2.498. If we are completely broken below, only then I'm going to start to look for my sell continuation. So wait with patience, with conditions, only then we are entering our trades. Next one we have silver. It's pushing down nicely out of this double top pattern. Now next candle turns to be a bearish engulfing candle. In that case, that would be a valid sell signal. Or if the price pushes up strongly, then pushed back down, left with a wick, and we have a bearish pin bar or a 382 candle, in that case we'll have a sell signal. But it is not a major zone, just an anchor level. Again, a risky entry. I'll be looking for my entries like this on a major zone which is above. But if you're someone who wants to take the risk, and that is will be an entry, stop loss can be above, take profit can be 1-to-1 initially, and then you can manage it accordingly. I've said that it is a minor zone and I'm going to use a very low risk, and price is still above 50 EMA. Now for the complete bearish confirmation, I want to see a complete break below 50 EMA with 2 red candles. If we have that, we are good to look for our next bearish continuation trades, and we have a likely continuation towards the downside. So very important, look for that. We have a 382 bearish candle right here. That is also one of my sell signal and a bearish pressure as well. So looking at that, we have a chance the price will push down from here. Not taking any buy trades unless we are broken above this high. So looking at that, a bearish pressure. I'm expecting a price to push lower out of silver at this point. So only looking for sell trades for silver. Looking at this 382 candles. Once broken below 50 EMA, I'm going to start to look for my sell pullback trades only. Here on gold, the price bounced up from this anchor level. Like I mentioned yesterday, not taking sell trades unless we are broken below this low. Only wick has gone down, but the body did not close below. So that is why I'm still waiting to see if we are broken above 50 EMA or if we are broken below this anchor level. So if we are broken above 50 EMA, I'm going to start to look for my bullish continuation trades. But if you're broken below this zone, we're going to start to look at the level below. And in a long run, I'm looking at a major level right here from where we're going to start to look for the next buy trade. So not taking any buy trades as long as we are below 50 EMA, just looking for sell pullback trades. Once broken below, we're going to start to look for the continuation sell trades only. And looking at the ratio charts, we are still not completely broken below this level. As you can see, the price came back above, and the push up here is a push down on gold and silver as well. So if you have seen my video how to trade gold and silver with a ratio, I've already uploaded that in my playlist. Feel free to check that out and have these zones on your charts. We have crude oil is pushing down. We are below 50 EMA. We are still ranging sideways. Now at this point, I'm going to mark a little anchor box like this, and we already have this box right here. So we are just ranging up and down, and once we are completely broken above this high, only then I'm going to start to look for my next pullback entry bullish, or I'm going to use this zone for my next trade with conditions. So very important, you must see how the price action react from this area. We might get another bounce up from this area if we have a strong bullish engulfing pattern. If not, if broken below this low, then that will be a signal that price will likely to push low. So wait and see how it goes. If you want to take a risky entry, then it will be a bullish engulfing pattern. Right here, 1 ATR is enough for your target, and it's also just for a little scalp, not for the long-term hold, because we might get a bullish condition, push up, and then consolidation before the price decide to break above or break below for the continuation towards the upside or downside. So wait for the conditions. Once we have conditions, only then we are entering our trades. For now, just ranging for crude oil. We have no direction of bullish and bearish sides. Lastly, we have US cocoa. Now, if you remember, I've said that we can get a possible bounce out of this anchor level. That has reacted actually nicely. We had no condition below 50 EMA, so no conditions, no entries. Now, we are at the anchor level of resistance. If you see resistance and support. So that is why all I want to see a condition for my sell trades only. If the price forms a double top pattern on 4-hour or on 1-hour time frame, if you see here, I'm going to mark my rejection box something like this. We kind of have double top pattern on 1-hour time frame. So in this type of condition, what I do, that would be entry, and I keep my stop loss above, take profit. I can go 1.4 to 1, 1 to 1 is totally up to you. So that is a condition I'm looking at. It is not a very clear double top, but for a clear double top, I want to see this move and a nice clear double top pattern. But it is a kind of minor double top, and we can see some reaction on 1-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, exactly what I'm going to do, that will be a good and strong entry, something like this. So what I want to see, a nice pullback, push up, and then a bearish condition on a second top. If we have that, we are good to go short. We do have this 382 candle bearish as well, shows a bearish pressure. So what I'm looking at, only bearish trades. Look at this pattern right here that nicely pushed down. So that's what I want to see, some sort of bearish condition. We do have some aggressive bearish condition. That would be risky again. So that is why I want to see a clear double top on here on 4 hour. On 1 hour we already have some minor double tops. So only looking for sell trades as long as we are below this area, which is 8654, that goes up to 9033. If let's say we have dramatic push up without price giving us any condition, in that case I'll start to look for my bullish continuation trades and price will likely push higher. So what I'm expecting, some nice pullback and then a push up, and that pullback can be enough to hit your targets. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. I'm going to schedule a live session for members only this week, and I'm going to send you link as well in advance. Hope you trade green. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.